Hello, good morning. Another lovely day. The weather is treating us very well at the moment and we're going to take advantage of that. So if you are a return viewer, then welcome back to the channel. If you're a new viewer, I suggest you click up here right now, go have a look what we've already done to the car. Last week we did a brake upgrade consisting of some EBC discs and pads. We're just in the process of breaking them in. We're feeling very good compared to what we had on before. But enough of that, let's get on with this video. Okay, so today's video we're going to be looking at relocating this into the boot. Now I've had a look online, some people say it's fairly easy using the built-in lines for the rear jet. I mean 4 litres, what on earth do you need 4 litres for? So like I said, some people have said that this is quite easy by using the existing kind of rubber piping that goes to the rear washer. Now I can see that fairly easily. It's this one here, and somebody's nicely stuck a screw in it for me, which is good, so it don't leak. Right, so we've got that off. So what we've got, that is obviously the pump. You can see there, that is what went into the washer bottle. There's a little slot just down here. See it there? That literally went in like that, and that's obviously the way that it's pumping. So it's pumping in through there, and then it's pumping out through one of these two. So I'm guessing that this one goes to the front washers and this one goes to the back washer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reverse this. We're gonna take the back washer off that, put it on the pump, and that now should pump from the back line with the washer in the back to the front jets. Stay tuned. So here's the plan. We've got the washer bottle. There's a little hole here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of these and the other part whenever I can find it, and one of these. We're going to go through the back there, little washer on it. We're going to basically put the original washer bottle through that hole and kind of bolt it on. I know, to be honest, that I should be getting a smaller bottle for this, or something that fits a little bit better, but I don't have it right now. It didn't come in time, so this is what we're going to do for the sake of this video, and I'll go back at a later date and change it. Right, here we go. So move that out of the way. We're going to go one of these through the back of there. Right then, so the moment of truth. So don't forget, we have swapped around these. So obviously I've blocked this off in a classic Volkswagen fashion with a little screw. That was how the rear line was blocked off, so I've just taken it out of there and put it in there. So this is where it's pumping from. Technically, once it's sucked all the air out, that should now pump from that bottle in the rear and straight into the washer jets. So, let's go. So, bit of bad news, I think my wiper motor is absolutely knackered. So I should have tested this before, but I didn't, and now that I've done it all, I can't get any fluid through, and it's just not working. I've tried it out of a bottle, everything, so it's just not working. No matter where the water's coming from, even directly into the motor, it is not pumping it through. So we're going to get a new motor, we're going to come back, we're going to give it another go, and I'll see you there. Cheers. Right, so we are back. For you, it's obviously been a couple of seconds. For me, it's been a couple of days. So the last clip, we drove to one of my friends, Mike's. He's basically doing up a G40, so that's whose G40 you saw in the video. He happened to have a spare washer motor for us. When we got there, he actually had a spare washer bottle as well, so I've now got a smaller washer bottle, so we'll be fitting that in the back rather than the original one. So yeah, I'll show you what I mean now, and we can go from there. So this is what we've got. We've got, out of I believe, a Mk2 Polo, a slightly smaller and also a single output washer motor. So that is now plumbed into the back. So we'll give that a go in a minute, get some water going through it, and hopefully that should work. If I take you around to the back, so that is a slightly smaller windshield washer bottle. I mean, if you compare that to that one, so what we're going to do, we've got a little bracket we made up. We're going to attach it to the original screw there, so it'll be in exactly the same place, but in a more vertical position. So it is actually a bottom drain, which should help getting the water all the way through to the front. So, be back in a minute. Okay, so if I bring you around the front, obviously wash bottle that was there is gone. We've got the new little motor here, bled it all through, obviously going up to the windscreen wipers. So, give it a test, moment of truth. Right, here we go, moment you've all been waiting for. Will it work? Bit of ignition. Go on! There you have it, absolutely lovely. Oh, that is annoying. Get them down. Nice one. And that is it. They've worked. Yes, the motor is not very good at all. They're not very powerful. I'll maybe look into that in the future. I've also got a feeling that back box, the washer bottle, has actually got a leak, so might have to just get a new one of them anyway. But yeah, little celebration. I reckon I'm going to get some new wipers, so here we go. I know a lot of you are probably getting annoyed at me dry wiping the hell out of my windscreen with my dodgy squeaky blades. So what I've done, I've got some new ones, I'm going to put them on, it's going to be lovely. Here we go. Bosch Aero Twins, obviously. What else do you use? Here we go. Drum roll, please. Ignition on. Oh! Unbelievable. Celebratory quick wipe. Oh, there she goes, full speed. Lovely. And that is it. Finished. Right, so we've got one last little job. We need to clean up all this. It looks pretty manky, so we're going to get some degreaser on it, give it a little clean. I'll show you the end product. Can't leave it like this, it just looks shite. And there we have it, after a little clean. Look how much neater it looks in here now. Obviously that's where the washer bottle was. Still got a little bit of a patch up to do here, so I'm going to take this to a local welder, get that done at some point. Might get some kind of spray paint in the body colour and go over that, make that a little bit neater. But apart from that, she's looking alright. Bit less cluttered in there, so yeah. I've also managed to get rid of that big intake, if you'd realised. Got a little K&N on there that I just got from Mike again, actually. So yeah, shout out to Mike for hooking us up with the filter, the motor, and obviously the little washer bottle in the back. Nice one. And there we go, another job that has taken far longer than it needed to. Another job that I've broken something, so we're on a bit of a roll at the moment. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me break anything else, leave a comment below and I will break it, trust me. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it does really help. We've just passed 50 followers on the last video, so yeah, if you would like to support it, give it a subscribe. See you next time.